Take a ride in the 2021 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.